on the national highway from the 7th October to the 9th October 2000. The Committee on Tribal Unity has temporarily suspended the proposed 48 hours economic blockade imposed on the national highway from the 7th October to the 9th October 2025 over the abduction of Mr. Kamginlen Chongloi at Makhand on the 2nd of October 2025 and the security preparedness at the buffer zones after the assurance from the government of India through the district administrator to resolve the issue immediately. However, in case of the failure of the concerned authority to resolve the matter, the committee is liable to reimpose the economic blockade on the National Highway 2 without any further information. Therefore, the Committee on Tribal Unity would like to appreciate the general public for the unwavering support and the other civil organizations for having endured these tumultuous years together.